Hello everyone, this is Chris Surface here with SDI course FTT 104. Today's week 4 assignment 1. Today's date is May 18th, 2025. Today I'll be performing a detailed strip of my Mossberg 500 Classic field. We're going to go ahead and verify that the firearm is clear, keeping the muzzle pointed in a safe direction. We will check out the magazine. There's no rounds within the magazine. If you open up the breech, you verify that there's no rounds inside the chamber. And the firearm is unsafe. Also, there is no rounds located anywhere in this facility. The only thing it may look like a round is I have some snap caps over here for a 30-30 Winchester. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is field strip this weapon. We're going to start by unscrewing the barrel, taking it off. Alright, remove the barrel. Then from there we'll knock the trigger housing out. Pins push all the way through. Pull it out. Okay, the firearm has been field stripped. Okay, now that this is field stripped, the only thing that we can really break down any further is going to be our bolt itself and our trigger housing group. I'll go ahead and do it off camera and then I'll show you when it's completely tore apart. Okay, so I got it all broke down. Here's the bolt. I got it all taken apart and all the pieces are inside this container so I don't lose any, including the small pins. Here is the trigger housing group, all torn apart, broke down in here. Again, it's all kind of hard to see. I will put it all back together, then I will show you the end result. Okay, I finally got the bolt group back together along with the trigger housing trigger group. The tools I utilized, I used a pair of needle nose pliers, I used some brass punches and some steel punches along with a brass hammer and a ball peen hammer. I utilized these clear totes here to keep the parts in while I was disassembling, and I also just did a little quick cleaning on the parts as I was going along. Alright, now let me put this back together and I'll show you everything back together. Okay, now I have her all back together. I'll just go ahead and show that there's no rounds in the magazine. Breech is clear, chamber's clear. It's unsafe. Just for a quick functions check, I am going to dry fire just so you hear that that everything is working the way it should. And it sounds good to me.